In this format, we're going to compare 6 of the best models in the world on the benchmark of human eating a burger. And we will start with Kling 3.0. It's the same prompt for every model, but let's take a look. Okay, the burger looks fine. He's doing a bit weird noises. The reflections in the glasses look a little bit weird. It's like the burger is split, but the way he chews and everything, the patty looks fine. Maybe a tomato would have been nice, but I think that's a 4. Let's continue to Gen 4.5, where we have very unstable burger. He bit into the tomato, but it seems like the tomato did not get bitten off. Also, his chewing is a little bit unnatural. He has this muscle on the forehead, it seems. I don't know. It's not bad, but I will give this one a 3. And let's continue to Seedance 1.5 Pro, where we have a very nice looking burger. Cheese hanging down
有时
here.
候简单的快乐才是最真实的。
He's saying something in Chinese. The way he's biting it
有时
looks
候
more,
简单的快乐才是最真
looks
实
more
的。
like he's biting into an apple. Also, I just noticed here in the back, there's a little weird yellow orange juice and milk glass or whatever. But I don't know. Look, the way he's biting it from the top, the cheese hanging there is fine. The burger in general looks nice.
有
Okay,
时候简单的
so he had cheese hanging from his lips, but then it
快
suddenly
乐才是最
disappeared.
真实的。
And there's some voiceover. I don't know. It's for me, it's a 2 because it's very much it's very messy, huh? But yeah, let's continue to VO 3.1, where we have another fancy burger. Okay, did you see that? He bit? No, a little bit. Yeah. We have this one part, yeah, where here's a piece of white paper or whatever just suddenly jumping out of the burger. When you look at the beard, the details move a little bit weird. And I don't know if you would chew like this. And I also feel the face is getting wider the moment, like the way he's chewing is a little bit weird. I think that's also 3 for me or a 2. I don't know. Yeah, no, like compare the face here, first frame and last frame. It's a different person, huh? You will not notice it when you watch it, so it's a 2, but it's not perfect. And let's go to 2.6.
This is worth it. Worth every dollar. Business lunch? More like a power snack.
Well, we have
See you at the next meeting.
multi-shot with voiceover that doesn't make any sense. We have the sauce really.
This is worth it.
I mean, it's a very unnatural way of the sauce dripping like this. It's also very soft, the face. It looks very unnatural.
Worth every dollar.
I just wanted to see in the glasses if we have the reflection correct.
Worth every dollar.
I don't know.
Business lunch? More like a power snack. See you at the next meeting.
Like he got up with the burger, now he doesn't have the burger anymore. Here the faces of the people also don't look that good. Still, same for here. I don't know, that's also 2 for me. And let's go to Sora 2, the last one in this test, where we have another nice looking burger.
That's the good stuff right there. Worth the suit.
Okay, so he's talking while he's chewing. No lip sync, so well. He's biting into the burger, but the burger does not seem to have any bite taken out of it, except if you just taste a little
That's
bit.
the good stuff right there. Worth the suit.
I don't know. No. I like the amount of tomato though. Very nice. He seems to enjoy the burger. That's also a 2 for me. I don't know. Like the way he's biting is not how you would eat a burger, sideways and whatever. So I think that was a difficult one. Looking at the results, we have actually Kling 3.0 winning, then Gen 4.5 and Seedance 1.5 Pro, with the top models from American companies actually being behind by quite a bit. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll think about another video.